Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today, got a fun little head-to-head for you. We're going to be going over the new Dewalt 12V impact driver against the Milwaukee Gen 2 12V impact driver. So stick around to the end if you want to see what happens in this video. Hit that intro. Alright guys, been dying to do this video. I just went out and picked up the new 12V Dewalt impact driver model DCF801. This is the one with the quarter-inch collet and not the anvil. It has 3 speeds, a self-tightening, a low and a high. The kit comes with the charger, which is model DCB112. So it charges the 12 and the 20. Well, that's good. So it'll do both. And it comes with 2 of the cutest, tiniest little batteries I've ever seen in my life. Look how tiny that thing is. It's like a itty bitty little baby battery. It comes with 2 2.0 batteries. And belt clip, very, very light. We're gonna go over all the features, put them head to head, sync a couple legs, sync a couple bolts, a couple screws, and see which one essentially is best for the job that you need to get done. So stick around. It's going to be a good one. We got the wood set up over on the jaw horse. Let's get into that testing. Alright guys, test number 1. Got some brand new 5-inch timber lock ledger bolts, whatever you call them. Peeling the stickers off of them. So both of them got the fresh coating, so you guys don't say, oh, you're cheating, you're cheating. Oh, this is 6-inch. Brand new 6-inch bolts, 12 amp, fresh battery, Milwaukee, fresh battery, 2 amp hour. We're not cheating. Yeah. Alright, first test, 6-inch. Here we go. Both on high. Ready, set, go. That was pretty close. And the magnet, my thing came out. See that? Ready, set, go. That time Milwaukee got it. One more time, just to make sure that wasn't a fluke. Switch hands again. Milwaukee's down 1 bar. Dewalt, still full bars. Here we go. This one. There we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Milwaukee. Now we're going to try, I got these 5-inch ledger bolts. They're a little bit thicker than the timber locks. Brand new, taking the tags off. Alright, 5-inch ledgers, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Switching hands. 1, 2, 3, go. Bam. Milwaukee got that one again. Now we're just kind of sinking some 3-inch screws, just kind of give you a feel for what the impact can do. Nothing special, we're not timing it, we're not racing it, just trying to get a feel for it. All right, focus there. Here we go. This is high mode. Pretty impressive, works pretty good. I like it. It feels good, it's really light. That's why I like this, it's very light. Way to go, dipshit. Here you go. See what happens when we pull them out. I was watching the Tool Boss, and he was saying that he was snapping heads every time he'd back a screw out with this. Do it on low. You can see that? Here we go. 3-inch screw. One more. Low. Now let's try the first self-tapper mode here. That is, I don't even know what that mode's for. It doesn't do anything. I can't even sink a screw. Is it the back screws out? Let's try that. Nope, nothing. See if low can take them out. Alright, we're going to do mode 1, 3-inch screws just for fun to see if they're similar in speed at all. Well, Milwaukee can't even do it. Let's try it in 2, because Milwaukee's a 4-speed compared to the 3-speed. So that's funny. Milwaukee can't even do it in 1 at all. I know 1's meant for, you know, delicate, precise applications. 1 on low mode. Swap hands just for fun. Doesn't really prove anything. It's just goofing around at this point. Here we go. So they're almost the same speed on low mode, but not quite. I mean, I think the Milwaukee has a couple more RPMs, but not much. We'll go over the stats here. Let's go back over to the table and go over the stats. So overall, the Milwaukee has more power. We all know that. The fuel is just crazy powerful. Sometimes it's too powerful. Again, it's all really breaks down to what you like. So let's bare tool it. See how much the Dewalt weighs. 1 pound, 12 ounces, bare tool. So I got 2 pounds, 4 ounces with the battery in the clip. Not too bad. Yeah, 2.5 with that in. The Milwaukee bare tool, 1 pound 15 ounces, so this is only an ounce lighter. Let's try that again. Yeah, 112, 115, I'm sorry. 3 ounces lighter. So 2.5 with the 2.0, 2.5, what did I say? 2.4, so pretty close in weight. The Dewalt is definitely more balanced because of the foot on the bottom, the way the profile is. Where the Milwaukee, all the weight is in the head. Unless you have the extended XC pack, it's hard to stand up essentially. I do like the belt clip on the Dewalt more than the Milwaukee. Alright, let's go to the stats of the Dewalt real quick. So it's a 1/4 inch, 6mm impact driver, call it. First gear is 0 to 950 RPMs. And then second gear, it says it's 1950. And then I guess third gear is 2850 RPMs. So this first mode doesn't really do anything. It's so weak, but it says it's 950 RPMs essentially. And then it has 3,600 impacts per minute. Battery ran out of the camera. The battery in this thing is always dying. So if you have a Nikon 4K camera, let me know. Does your batteries freaking die? Like, it seems like 10 minutes worth of taping and the battery just goes dead. Anyways, back to the impact. Like I was saying, it has 3,600 impacts per minute, and then it has max RPM is 2850. Now, the Dewalt, Milwaukee we've gone over before. See, the impacts per minute on the Milwaukee is 4,000. That's why it has a little bit more power. So it's 400 more impacts per minute. And the RPM is 3,300, where this is 2,850. So it has 450 more RPMs than the Milwaukee. Like I said, the grip, I really like the grip on this. But one thing, let me show you this very quick. See this right here, the button? Watch my fingers. It pinches, look. Ow. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it really grabs your finger really well and pinches the crap out of it. So just be mindful of that. It does kind of hurt you. And then also, I've had issues with the collet. Look at this. Very wobbly. So those are the only two things that I don't like about it. Wobbly collet, and it pinches your finger if you're not paying attention. But if you wear gloves, you can't tell. Now, I don't know if it was the way I was using it, or if it's just a defect in the Dewalt with the collet. So I was drilling in the 3-inch screws into my workbench, putting in some braces, and I swear to gosh, the thing just kind of bent on me a little bit when I was drilling at an angle, or putting the screw in at an angle. And it popped off, and I was looking at it, and all of a sudden it was really wobbly. Can you see that? I don't know. Is it the most important thing in the world? Maybe. It's a little warm after that test, not super warm. Milwaukee. Is a little warm too. Nothing too big. Maybe you prefer the cant of the Milwaukee, or you prefer the straight. The price point on this, 99 bucks. You get 2 batteries, you get a charger, a double charger, so it's a 20 or a 12, and then you get the little tiny bag. For 99 bucks, that's a killer deal. I mean, this alone, when it came out, what is it, 130 for bare tool? And then it was 169 bare tool. And the kit, I think, was like 220. No, 225, I forget. It's been a while. I mean, now just finally the price is starting to come down on these. See right here? It's smooth. When you pull the trigger, it doesn't pinch your finger, where the Dewalt will pinch your finger. I also saw this other video. I was watching this guy, I think his name's Cactus Maximus or something like that. I'll put a link down below. He takes apart the new 12 volt, the drill, and it actually is built fairly well. I was quite impressed, other than the fact that the chuck's plastic. Other than that, the internals are all metal, and it's built fairly well. So I'm kind of impressed by the innards of these. So I'll put the link, check out that video. It's pretty interesting. He takes apart the whole thing and goes over all the pieces. So it's pretty well built. So I guess only time will tell the longevity of the tool. But I give it 1 consumer thumb up. I really like it. The Milwaukee has a little more speed. So again, are you red or are you yellow? You know, I don't care either or. I like them all. That's my problem. Just go ask my wife. Go in my house, freaking tools everywhere. Actually, anybody lives in the Minnesota Twin Cities area, looking for some tools, let me know. I gotta sell some stuff, clear out some space, so hit me up down below. If you're looking for any specific tool, I'll let you know if I'm selling it. Gotta make some moolah to buy some more stuff. Clear out the old inventory, in with the new. Guys, thank you for your time. My subscriber count has been freaking crazy. I'm almost up to 3,400. I can't believe it. You guys are awesome. I appreciate every single subscriber I get. I love all the comments. I try to get back to everybody, whether it's just a thumb up or a heart or whatever. I read all your comments, so thank you. Should I do the Milwaukee against the Makita, the Dewalt against the Makita? What do you guys want to see? Let me know down below. Hop over on Instagram, come say hi to me over there, show me some love. Making stuff and breaking stuff, I think, is what it is on Instagram. It's just making stuff and breaking stuff, I believe. Can't remember. I'll put a link down below. I don't post a ton of stuff, but I do post pictures of upcoming videos usually. And I think there's some of the family and the kids over there as well. So I know some of you are saying, oh, post some pictures of your kids. There's got a few pictures of the baby over there. Check them out. She's adorable. I'm not trying to toot my own horn. All right, everyone. Thank you for your time. Have a blessed day. See ya.